Michaels measuring McMahon. Shawn, put him away.
You cannot do this.
The DX side.
Suck it.
Degeneration. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hardy scoring the right hands. They're dangerously close to the edge here.
They're going to try to knock him off the... Look out!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Edge and Hardy off the stage, through the table, to the concrete, and they're surrounded by these electrical wires.
What is Ricochet thinking?
Oh no.
No.
No, 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 no.
Don't tell me Ricochet, the preeminent high flyer.
Showtime, baby.
Cirque du Ricochet in full effect.
Blow by Jeff Hardy.
Oh man. On to WWE again.
Jeff Hardy's in control.
Uh-oh.
Look out, Bubba Ray. Look out. Oh, that's the slam on the table.
Andrade reaching for the briefcase, swinging around now high above the ring.
Such a precarious position for both of these superstars. This could end very
Wait a second.
badly.
Oh my God!
Sunset